Namaste, everybody. Welcome aboard Green Living Path. I'm Al Yogi. Now, how do we actually live our highest purpose? How do we actually live our dream life? Um, One of the key things studies show in science is looking at life like a game. So, to become supercharged or powerful, we've got to be a seeker of knowledge, like I've been doing for decades. This seeker of knowledge is really important. You want to be constantly learning, guys. No matter where you're at on the scale of evolution and vibration, you want to be constantly learning and growing as a person. And then you want to be applying that knowledge each day and being consistent with that. Like Einstein and Tesla actually said, look at life like this. Look at it as energy, vibration, and resonance. So if you're looking at each who you are and you're wanting to attain this goal and you're down here vibrationally and it's resonating up here, you want to lift your knowledge, your skills, your whole vibration to resonate with that. So you've got congruence. So you've got in flow state. Now that's really important, guys. So realizing that if you want to attain anything, you've got to resonate with that vibration. And normally, most of the things we're wanting to attain is that it's on our outside level of vibrating. So that's one of the key things. We've got different mini games within inside the game of life, the big game. We've got relationships. We've got physical health, abundance. We've got mental game as well. We've got the spiritual game. We've got the financial game. And then on a higher level, we've got, once we go through all those 5 levels, spiritual, relationship, mental, physical, and financial, we have the 6th mini game, the law of oneness with everything in flow state. So we can go play all those games. People play the financial game. They play the healthy game, being, physically fit, strong, flexible, aerobic. They also have the 3rd game, the mental game, having the mindset, having the ability to learn and grow, and morally have these rules within inside the mindset. Then you want to have relationships. You want to have a beautiful partner that you have commonalities with, that helps you grow and you help them grow, because the cornerstone of a relationship is to help each other grow, guys. The next 5th one is financial. You want to be in a financial abundance flowing into your life. You want to be investing money eventually, putting the money you're earning into investments so they flow into your life. So you don't constantly have to be working, because eventually your investments will build up to reach the level of income you're creating by working on a day-to-day job. And then you've freed yourself in a financial sense. So that's the financial pillar. And then my favorite, the 6th one, is the law of oneness. Realizing that we are part of everything. Me, you, all animals, the planet, the rivers, the stars, the universe. We are in the quantum field. We are all outcrops from the field. So we are all part of that. So when you realize that, you actually get yourself in this beautiful flow state. And the object of the day is to get yourself in flow state so that you're a far more, many times more effective than a person that's in anxiety and fear. Because when you're changing your focus to the 5 pillars, health, mental, spiritual, relationships, and financial, you're moving on up vibrationally, and you're not focusing on fear and anxiety. This is what a lot of the matrix, the media, people tell you they're trying to get you to focus on lower vibrations, guys. So by focusing on the other vibrations, by incorporating meditation each morning, you've got to have this routine. Meditation, exercise, learning some mindset knowledge, and then building the skills to go for it each day for your goals, and then puts you in this flow state. So you're constantly elevating yourself. You're no longer bogged down. And the majority of people that are in fear and anxiety, looking at the fighting on the news, killing on the news. So, I mean, I can tell you what's going to be on the news because that's what they're focused on. And then that's for a reason, to keep you focused on those things. But by you not focusing on those things, changing your focus and lifting up your vibration, you're no longer being bound by the majority of this lower dross vibration. You actually have changed your vibration upwards. So now you're in a harmonious state, a higher resonance with your intentions, your goals, the person you want to become. You've actually transformed radically by being in this flow state each day, by consistently taking action, meditating, exercise, working on your mindset, working on your job and your goals, visualizing exactly what you want to do. So this is really important in the whole scheme of things, is actually to keep on moving on up. And my favorite, the sixth one, the law of oneness, I'm enthused about. The more I meditate and do exercise and my asanas, my pranayama, I realize that we're actually just one. Oneness flowing from source through us, we're part of that, and we're basically here to help others and help ourselves grow first. Instead of, a lot of people are so focused on themselves, so focused about their problems and telling the life story to people, that they're reinforcing that lower vibration instead of looking upwards and stretching up each day to what you can be is more important, guys. So I really hope that helped. Boop, subscribe, thumbs up, tab the like button. It's really good to have everybody here and growing each day. So play it as a game, that your game each day is to lift your vibration. Your game is to be compassionate to other people. The game is not to get pulled into lower vibrations, hypnotized by fear and anxiety by watching the news and watching about all the negative programming that they're trying to program people. The game is for you is to become the person you want to be, to lift the vibration each day. So it's lovely to see everybody. Awesome to have you here. Namaste, everybody. Bye for now.